Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show to create pixelate image. So let's get started. First we will go to the elements and we will choose our background. Here I will choose this one and adjust it to the background and adjust it to our canvas. Now we need an image. I will choose from the Canva. I have taken this one. Now go to the edit image. I will use the old editor here. So now remove the background of the image. Just apply this and adjust the size of it. Now make a copy of this image to use it later. Now I will put my image here. Here is the option pixelate. If you don't find it, you can search it by dragging it down. So I have here. Now just go to the pixel option and adjust it. There are two options, horizontal pixel and vertical pixel. Choose the 0 and 1 and vertical pixel 200. Now choose the second image and make a copy of this. Put your image here like this. Now I will type my text here. Just go to the headings and type your text. And now change the font here if you want. I will choose this one. Increase the size of the text. Put your text here. Now go to the position and send this text to backward. Now make a copy of this text and put it here. Just go to the effects option and choose hollow and decrease the thickness of this by 14. And adjust it like this. Now drag this image and put it here. Go to the position and bring it forward like this. Now select all the elements and make a group of it and increase the size. So this is how you can pixelate any image and create any and use it in your design. I hope you like this tutorial. If you found helpful, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you get interesting videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.